Do you like completing a good puzzle? Or maybe you like to build things that belong together, like with Legos. If so, then you could be a plumber. A plumber is a person who installs and repairs pipes and fixtures that carry water, gas, or other fluids in homes and businesses. They also maintain plumbing fixtures in items like bathtubs, showers, and appliances. Plumbers can earn a degree in plumbing by successfully completing the courses from a trade school, which normally can take about 2 years. Upon completion, future plumbers can apply for an apprenticeship, which will allow them to follow an experienced plumber so they can be the best plumber that they can be. But wait, you don't have to be a grown-up to be a plumber. You can start right now. Do you have any ideas how you can use your love of building to make money? You can start by building models and ask your parents or guardians if you can help them put something together. Problem-solving skills and putting things together is an important part of being a plumber. Until then, have fun solving problems.